Most couples don't mess up their marriage green card because they're careless. They mess it up because they're trying to assemble a multi-year process without a map. You open a USCIS form and suddenly you're buried in conflicting advice from Reddit, lawyers, and random YouTube videos. In this video, you'll see how we engineered the marriage immigration method, an execution system designed to simplify the journey from engagement to green card and beyond. Without a structured system, it's easy to miss key details, send incomplete applications, or lose time fixing mistakes that were avoidable. If you're the kind of couple that wants to understand the terrain before you move, this will give you a clear path you can evaluate and navigate deliberately. Before we go further, quick context on why we built this and what we've learned. We personally went through this process over a decade ago, and at the time, we took it lightly. We thought, we just need to submit our paperwork to the USCIS. But what we didn't realize back then was how many stages come before and after that filing, and how easy it is to make a mistake that can create delays. Since then, we both became immigration attorneys, and we've seen the same story play out hundreds of times. Couples who genuinely love each other but get overwhelmed by confusing instructions, missed forms, and unnecessary delays. That's why, combining our backgrounds in law and engineering, we decided to build a system. It doesn't replace legal counsel. It gives couples the map so they can make informed decisions whether they hire a lawyer or not. A structured execution framework that shows how stages connect, making the entire marriage-based immigration process clear from day one, all the way to citizenship. Once we became attorneys and started dealing directly with the USCIS, we began seeing the same pattern again and again. Couples were either paying thousands for legal representation and still feeling in the dark, or trying to do it themselves and getting lost in conflicting information. We were in that second camp, and it's why my first naturalization application was denied. I was following noise instead of a clear sequence. When we started working with couples inside the method, we kept hearing the same frustrations. We filed months ago and haven't heard back. We don't feel like we submitted enough relationship evidence. We're worried we missed something. Our USCIS account says it could take 50 months. Is that even accurate? And every time, it was because the process itself felt fragmented and emotionally charged. You've got the USCIS website saying one thing, random blogs saying another, and lawyers each doing it their own way. There's no single source of truth, no structure that connects the dots between forms, fees, timing, and the real-life experience couples actually go through. That's when it hit us. You don't need more information. You need clarity and sequence. When you can see the whole path, the next decision becomes much clearer. That's why we build the method as a structured execution framework you can move through at your own pace. If you want the high-level view first, we made a visual representation of how the stages connect. It's linked below. After seeing the same confusion repeat, we realized the process lacked structure. That's when Dixon approached it the way he approaches any complex system, by mapping how it actually works. He kept asking me, why can't this process run like a well-designed engine, where every step triggers the next? At first, I genuinely laughed, because that's not how immigration works, until we started mapping it out together and noticed the same real-world patterns repeating across case after case. Every USCIS form, rule, and milestone went up on the wall. And slowly, it began to look less like chaos and more like a clean, logical flow. That's the foundation of the entire marriage immigration process. Each stage is anchored to real triggers. When one stage is complete, the next decision becomes much clearer. Then, about 4 years ago, we handed this system to real couples. And that's when it truly evolved. Their questions, edge cases, and real-world challenges forced the method to mature in ways no one could have designed from theory alone. Because the truth is, immigration doesn't always run on rules, it runs on practice. The forms might say one thing, but USCIS officers in different field offices often apply those rules differently. For example, retirees or disabled sponsors with legitimate monthly income from benefits were still getting requests for evidence, asking for a joint sponsor even when they qualified based on the evidence they provided. That's where we started baking in pattern-based decision awareness, so couples can reduce surprises and respond faster when something shifts. For instance, we noticed that when biometrics appointments are rescheduled, it often unlocks the next stages sooner, including work authorization approval. It allows you to follow the process in the correct sequence instead of passively. Why this holds up in real life? When we first built the method, it was structured and logical, but what makes it reliable today is that it's been pressure tested in real life. Over the past few years, real couples have taken it through real situations, timing issues, evidence questions, interview prep, and each time something surfaced, we refined the system so the next couple would already have the answer before the question came up. For example, we've seen couples lose months simply because they didn't understand sequence, what actually needs to happen first, and what can wait. Or they relied on scattered advice online that didn't match their situation. That's the difference here. It's not a pile of tips. It's a connected system that shows you what matters, when it matters, and how the stages link together, from engagement to green card to removal of conditions and citizenship. Like our member Alicia said during our interview, getting my green card felt great, but it wasn't the finish line. That's exactly right. This is a multi-year process, and the couples who feel calm are the ones who can see the full path early. If you want to orient yourself before making decisions, the Marriage Immigration System map is linked below. It's a visual that connects the stages into a single, clear path, so you're not stitching this from 10 different sources. In a world where you can ask ChatGPT endless questions, the real limitation isn't information, it's sequence. If you don't yet know what's ahead, a system that shows you the order matters more than answers.